Good morning, I'm Candice Setter and this is Module 3. I'm currently employed by USD 308 in Hutchinson, Kansas, and if you aren't sure where that is, we are northwest of Wichita. My data that I gathered from KSTE is primarily 2015 and 16, however there is some older data from 2014. Assessed valuation, there are two classes. Our current cash for that is $213 million. Our total cash balance is $32 million. Special education cash balance is a little over $4 million, and professional development is just under $800,000. Our general state aid cash balance is $26 million. I found it interesting that some districts do not qualify for this aid if their local revenue matches or exceeds their legal maximum budget. Total expenditures are about $13,000 per pupil. This data surprised me, our free and reduced enrollment. I felt that the free enrollment at 56% was quite high in comparison to other school districts in our state. Our total enrollment at this time is about 5,000 students. In USD 308, we have about 333 students that are in kindergarten, which is a full day, everyday format. Our school lunches range in $2.25 per day per elementary student up to $2.60. And our school breakfasts are the same in all buildings, $1.40. While looking through KSTE, I found a great deal of information about finance and revenue and expenditures, and there are a lot of not only reports, but there are also brochures and guides to help you along the way. So our mill rate, as it is with others, is 20. That was for the general fund. The supplemental general fund is a little over 17 mills. Our capital outlay is almost 4 mills. Bonded interest is set at a little over 14.5 mills. We have approximately 436 certified staff and 366 non-certified staff. This surprised me because I didn't realize the superintendent made quite that much money. So the superintendent average salary is $145,000, principals $85,000, and teachers averaged at $53,000. Our outstanding bond as of July 2014 was $75 million. We also have 4 drivers with 19 routes for transportation, and our total cost is $424,000. I want to thank you for your time in viewing this.